Let's start with car expenses. The cost of your daily commute to and from work cannot be claimed as a tax deduction, even if you have a long distance to travel or work non-traditional hours like weekends or early mornings. This means that you won't be able to get any money back for those expenses when you file your taxes. It's important to keep this in mind when planning your budget and expenses. If you own a car and use it for work-related travel, you may be able to claim the costs on your taxes. This includes driving between different jobs on the same day, like going from your job as a firefighter to your side job as a first aid trainer. You can also claim travel expenses for going to and from a different workplace for the same employer in the same day, such as traveling from your station to a school to teach fire safety. Additionally, you can claim expenses for traveling directly from home to a different workplace. Make sure to keep track of your kilometers and other related expenses to maximize your tax deductions. If you need to carry heavy or bulky tools to do your job, you may be able to claim the cost of traveling to and from work on your taxes. To qualify for this deduction, the tools or equipment must be necessary for your job and not just something you choose to bring along. They also must be difficult to transport due to their size and weight. In other words, if you have to take around big, awkward tools for work, you may be able to get some money back for the trips you take to bring them with you. If you're looking to claim car expenses on your taxes, there are a couple of ways you can do it. You can either use the logbook method or the cents per kilometer method to figure out your deduction. If you go with the logbook method, you'll need to keep a valid logbook that shows the percentage of time you used your car for work-related purposes. You'll also need to hang on to receipts or other written proof of your car expenses. On the other hand, if you opt for the cents per kilometer method, you'll need to be able to demonstrate how you calculated the number of kilometers you drove for work and prove that those kilometers were indeed work-related. Either way, it's important to keep good records and documentation to make sure you're claiming the right amount. If you decide to claim your work-related car expenses using cents per kilometers method mentioned above, keep in mind that you won't be able to claim any additional deductions for the same car in the same tax return. This means costs such as servicing and insurance won't be eligible for further deductions. It's important to carefully consider how you want to claim your car expenses to maximize your tax benefits without overlapping deductions.